Hello everybody, this is Felicia Marchetti with IXL Real Estate, and I am standing in front of 6197 Water Bridge Avenue. That is located in Creekside Estates in Theodore, Alabama. And I just want to show you how adorable this Cali plan is. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. It's 1,791 square feet. Has a double car garage. So let's go inside and take a look at how precious this house is. Now, when you buy this plan here with D.R. Horton, anytime between May 2nd and May 28th, they have a spring special going on. And in that special, if you use DHI, which is their preferred lender, they'll pay up to $5,000 in your closing cost. You'll get faux blinds, washer, dryer, and a refrigerator as part of the package. So that's really a great savings, a great plan that they have going on right now. So I'll be here today from 2 to 5 p.m. at this lovely house. Let's check out this garage. Check that out. Very spacious. Your water heater is out here. And also your attic access is right there. So let's walk through here. You've got a great big laundry room. I've already shown you that. Let's go into this kitchen. You've got granite countertops. You've got awesome appliances. Check those out. Whirlpool, cooktop. Got a nice pantry here. It's a walk-in pantry. Okay. That's where your refrigerator would go. And there's some counter space there. Here is your dining area that steps off to the back porch. And there is your living room. Now your first 3 bedrooms are in the front of the house, and your master is located at the back of the house. So I'm hoping that y'all come see me today. I've got some pecan wheels, some honey buns, some water. We've got some Kit Kats and Mr. Goodbar. I would love to get rid of these business cards, so y'all send people my way today. Let's go take a look at this gorgeous master bedroom. Now, it doesn't have a ceiling fan right now, but every room is made for it if you wanted to add it later. Now, the master doesn't have granite countertops, and neither does the very front bathroom, but look at this great tub. You've got a separate shower, and it's what I call the potty closet. It's got its own little special room. And then you've got this nice walk-in closet for hers and hers clothes only, maybe. But anyway, I wanted to show you the back porch. Now this one backs up to a pond. It's going to be a pond at some point. But the last time I was here, they didn't have it privacy fenced yet, but check that out. That's going to be a retention pond at some point. But check that out. You've got a nice private fence. Just taking a look around. The termite bond is already in place, so you don't have to worry about that. So this house is listed for $264,900. And as I said, it's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. It's 1,791 square feet. So if you want to live in Creekside Estates in Theodore, come to this house today and let me show you how cute it is in person. Everything is updated, current appliances, great flooring. And this is just a really great house. So this is Felicia Marchetti with IXL Real Estate signing off. Y'all come and see me.